In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use linked recipes. A linked recipe is a prompt when building an estimate. If you search for a recipe, it will alert you of other recipes to consider. First, let's set up a linked recipe. Go to the Linked Recipe module. Click on Create Linked Recipe. Choose the parent recipe. Then I'm filtering by record type is template. And search for demolition. And the child recipe. I'm going to filter again by record type. And search for tops and protection. The child recipe will be the recommended one. Select the link type. For this example, I'm choosing recommended, and then give the linked recipe a name. Then save the linked recipe. Now let's see how this looks in the estimating tool. I'm going to start with an inquiry, where the estimate has been created and is ready to be updated. Click on the Update Estimate button. Go to Templates tab and search for the parent recipe. You can see here the number of child recipes that are linked to the parent recipes. Click on this number to view the child recipes and select the ones you want. Then click Save. The selected recipes are now linked to your estimate without needing to search for them. Now you can continue with the tabs at the top and create the estimate you want.